Turn a packaging board, paperboard or a corrugated fiberboard into beautiful and unique pieces perfect for kids' toy you may have in mind. Moreover, kids themselves create toy trucks and tractors from the packaging, eliminating waste and fueling imagination, which is lightweight, easy to process and even easier to recycle. The items you need are packaging or paperboard, motor and a battery. Creativity is important in interior design because it can help you come up with new ideas, solve problems, and find innovative ways to achieve your goals. In the second technique, a DIY crafts ideas for home or building decoration with bamboo is shown. There are numerous ways to use bamboo for styling your home that can give you attractive interiors. To make your task even easier, we have collected best